How do you know if you should accept an AI coding suggestion? I've been a software engineer for 30 years. I've written AI coding tools, including AppMap and OpenTips. I'm going to break down how to evaluate an AI coding tip and decide whether you want to include that in your code. I'll break this down into simple steps to make it easy for you to make that decision. I'm building an iOS app here, and one of the steps is to generate credentials. And what I'm doing is putting those credentials into a QR code and printing them into a file. Then from your phone, you can scan the QR code, and that's how you enroll. I've got a really good tip example here that I wanted to share. The tip says, basically, add file permission restrictions to the generated QR code file to ensure only the owner can read it, since it contains AWS credentials. So this is exactly right. I don't want to generate this file with default system permissions. I want to restrict the reading ability of this file to just the creator. When I'm evaluating a tip to see if I want to implement this change now, the two reasons I might do that are it fixes the user experience or it's a security problem. And this tip clearly fits into the second category. I don't want to have a file with credentials in it that's insecure. When I look at the Copilot suggestion for how to implement this, it's just changing the file permissions to 0600 in the standard way. So there's nothing strange or unusual about this implementation. So I'm satisfied that this tip is needed. I'm satisfied with the implementation, and I can go ahead and apply that tip. Follow me for getting more tips on how to get the best results from your AI coding assistant.